Yeah, it's a bit of a serious problem. Hang on. It's like, let me tell you, like, it's like thunder outside. It seems like I'm lying, but trust me, I heard it. I'm just watching YouTube and like thunder and it happens, and it was like really loud. Okay. I think it's gone now, but you never know. Oh! I saw it. Listen. Oh, it sounds bad. Sounds real bad out there. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm doing this. To be honest, I should really just ignore it. But you know. I don't know. I just like to watch lightning. This is what I do, guys. For LOLs. Okay, I'm gonna wait for one more flash. Bam! I'm gonna get a bit back so you guys. Okay, you saw that, right? No, wait. Well, anyway, guys, I'm gonna just. This is fun. Anyway.